Hi there, my name is Liliya Scott. I'm a managing partner of a law firm called LS Legal Solicitors, and today we're going to talk about an application for a Ukrainian family joining the family in the UK. We decided to do a post in English today for those family members and sponsors that are always there to help Ukrainians because they have spouses or children or grandparents residing in Ukraine. Therefore, just a brief note about an update as of today on the 7th of March 2022. If you wish to bring your family from Ukraine to join you in the United Kingdom, at this stage you can make an application for them online. The scheme that's been authorized and released by the Home Office on the 4th of March 2022 called Ukraine Family Scheme. This scheme allows your family members to apply for entry clearance, for visa and permission for them to enter the United Kingdom and join you here, but only if you are a British national in the United Kingdom, if you have a settled status under EU settlement scheme, if you have pre-settled status under EU settlement scheme, or if you have indefinite leave to remain in the United Kingdom, as well as a refugee status. You can bring the following family members to join you in the UK: your spouses, your children, your parents, your brothers and sisters and their spouses and their children, your grandparents, and your civil partners, fiancé or fiancée. If your Ukrainian family members fled Ukraine and currently in any of the countries outside the Ukraine, they would be eligible to make this application. You can make an application on their behalf and help them with submitting the documents or uploading the documents into Home Office's portal. You will need to prove what status you've got in the UK, which means you will need to upload a copy of your passport, visas, pre-settled status, which can be an email initially granting you pre-settled status in the UK, or confirmation of your refugee status. As to your family members in Ukraine, you will need to ask them to send you copies of their Ukrainian international passports, confirmation of your relationship with them, for example, marriage certificate, birth certificate, any kind of confirmation that they can find proving that they physically resided in Ukraine prior to 1st of January 2022. For example, they can provide their internal passport confirming their registration, as well as confirmation of assets. What you can also do is, for some of the documents that are in Ukrainian, you either can request an official translation or provide a translation that you prepared yourself. If you have time, my advice would be to provide a certified translation of the Ukrainian documents. All of the documents required in support of the application you can find on our social media, or you can contact us and we will provide you with a list of documents. At the same time, online application form that you can prepare for your family members would also guide you as to what type of documents you would need to submit. I sincerely hope that you can bring your family safely into the UK and they are currently safe. If you require any support from us or you have any more questions, you can always contact us and we would be happy to assist free of charge. As well, today, what I would also wish to clarify, I would like to answer some of the questions that we've been receiving from the family members. What to do if your Ukrainian family member member do not have a passport or their passport expired. At present, Home Office would accept expired passports. They would also accept birth certificates with driving license. They would also accept any other documents that prove their identity, that include their photos. One thing what I wanted to mention and warn you, the application form asks about adverse immigration history, breaches of immigration history, and you have to bear in mind that you have to respond truthfully in the application form. Just because your family member were in breach of immigration rules or had previous visa refusals, it does not mean automatically that they will be refused a visa. If you have any questions, you can always clarify it with us. However, if your family member had a criminal conviction with imprisonment of over 12 months, there could be an issue with their application, and there could be a possibility still bringing them to the UK. However, I would suggest that you submit a letter explaining the circumstances. I sincerely hope that you and your family are well. Contact us if you need any other advice or information. Thank you.